Writing an equation. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about writing equations from an array. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. If you remember, an array is a visualization of a math multiplication problem. Let's see an example. If we had 5 times 3, we can draw an array. We do that by looking at the first number, 5. That will tell us how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number, 3, can tell us how many in each row. This is how you can draw a picture of a multiplication problem. This is one strategy to solve a multiplication problem. You can count the number in your array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Drawing an array helps you visualize a multiplication problem. It is also a strategy to help you answer a multiplication problem if you don't have your math facts memorized. Now that we've reviewed how to write an array from a multiplication equation, let's practice writing an equation from an array. I'm drawing an array. From this array, we are going to write a multiplication problem. When you write a multiplication problem from an array, the first thing you need to do is count how many rows there are. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows going down. I write my multiplication sign. Next, I'm going to count how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next number I write is 4. So I have 4 rows, 4 in each row. I'm going to skip count to solve. I'm going to count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. So this array shows the multiplication problem. 4 times 4 equals 16. Well done. Be sure to check your work. Here's the next array. I'd like you to take the next few moments to write the multiplication problem from this array. You may begin. Let's solve this together. If you're not finished, you may copy down what you're missing. The first thing we will do is count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first number is 6. Next, we'll count how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 times 8 equals. Now we have to solve. Now I'm going to count by 6 on the 8. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. 6 times 8 is 48. Be sure to check your work. Here's the next problem. Please take the next few moments to write the multiplication problem that goes with this array. You don't have to draw the array, just write the multiplication problem. You may begin. Let's answer this together now. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy down what you're missing. First, we'll count the rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 is our first number. Next, we'll count how many in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 in each row. Now we have to multiply. I'm going to count by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3 times 6 equals 18. Be sure to check your work. Here's our next array. Please write the multiplication problem that is illustrated by this array. Take the next few moments to write it. You may begin. Let's answer this together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy what you're missing. The first thing we'll do is count how many rows. 1, 2. There are 2 rows. Next, we'll count how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 in each row. I'm going to count by 9 on the 2. 9, 18. 2 times 9 equals 18. Be sure to check your work. This is our final array. I'd like you to take the next few moments to write the multiplication equation that is illustrated by this array. You may begin. Let's write the multiplication problem together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy down what you're missing. First, we'll count how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we'll count how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 4 rows, 7 in each row. Let's answer this multiplication problem. I'm going to count by 7 on the 4. 7, 14, 21, 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. Well done. Be sure to check your answer. In this lesson, we learned about writing equations from an array. Thank you for following along.